Hi there, Gareth from Port Monkeys. We are on the Emerald Princess cruise ship today. We're all the way in the back of the ship on deck 7, the Promenade Deck. And this is the Fusion Lounge, Club Fusion, I should say. They do Zumba in here, they do trivia, they do karaoke, they dance lessons, it's got its own bar. It's pretty big, but it fills up sometimes, especially for trivia and Zumba. So we're gonna walk forward on the starboard side. You can't really walk forward on the port side. In some places you can, but from here you can't. This is the PhotoVideo Gallery, and they'll open these panels up here, and there'll be pictures on them, pictures they took of you, right? So, and now they're playing a lot of music, which is very loud. This is the Crown Grill in there. And it's not open yet, but that's what it looks like. Still the PhotoVideo Gallery, more panels to open. I've not yet seen them open all of them, but it's a 2-week cruise, so they probably will. Now we've passed into another area where the Explorers Lounge is. And sometimes we play trivia in here. They have bands playing up on that stage. A little bit smaller than Club Fusion. You can go over to the starboard side, or port side, and go up forward, but we're going to stay on starboard. Another bar. In a minute, we're going to walk outside if we can. So far, they're all roped off, though. So my plan was to take you out there. So this is one of the shops. More shops on the other side. Let's go on the other side. This is the midship elevator lobby. Stairs through there. Lift lobby. This is Crooner's Bar. They got a guy playing piano every night. Gets a big crowd going. I guess he's fairly entertaining. I watched a few times. It was a guy playing the piano. But, you know, it was fun. Now, so this is the 3-story atrium, piazza. We're going to go on down more. I just crossed over to port and then back to starboard, in case you were wondering. The library is here. They put Sudoku puzzles out here for you every morning. Well, sometimes not in the morning. And it's actually not for me, it's for Janet. This is the Effie Jewelry Store. This is the Wheelhouse Bar and the Salty Dog Gastropub. And somebody is up there playing the piano. Who knows how to play? Way over in that corner. So Wheelhouse Bar. And like I say, we can get it through this way. And we're going to go all the way through to the Princess Theater. There's the Princess Theater. And you can come in on deck 7 and walk all the way down to deck 6 here. There's no seats under the balcony. We're kind of in the balcony. But you can walk all the way down here. I just don't want to trip. And of course, walk across the stage. Looks like they're going to show a movie here. So, Princess Theater. Backstage in the theater. Probably shouldn't be here. Sets. That looks like the main set for G. It's a Swell Party, which is their 1920s musical. I believe they're going to We'll do it for the last time today. And then it's going away, at least on this ship. So now we're starboard, in the very front of the ship, mind you, although not outside. But on deck 6, conference rooms. I've seen them, crew meeting in there, officers. But, I don't know who booked a conference in there. This is Gatsby's Casino. It's open. I've got to be more discreet here. I have some very new machines here. And it's big and wide open. The cigarette smoke is not real bad. Although on the other side is the cigar lounge, the speakeasy. So you can go there and smoke. More shops. Service desk. Hi. And atrium. Right down below me is the International Cafe. They have free food, but the coffee costs money. And then there's restaurants on each side, so we can't really walk any further. So, from the Emerald Princess, this is Gareth the Port Monkey saying, see you in the next port. Bye.